Yo, what is up, everybody? I hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful Tuesday. And let's get into this. It's been pretty much a nothing burger of a month. It's been not very volatile, a lot of sidewaysness. And this is where we're at. We did have this trade set up, this green box on this Adam and Eve bottom that we established on lower time frames, which led to this run up. And now we're kind of cooling off inside this wedge. It's just like whatever, man. It's not much of anything. I'm going to go ahead and clear this box out of the way. But I'll go ahead and explain my thoughts on where we're at, where I think we're going, everything in between. Okay. So right now it looks like we're getting rejected by the 21, the orange line, which is not good. And that means for this to be confirmed as a double bottom right here in this bounce off this yellow strong resistance moving average is 55. What you'd have to see here is you would have to see a bounce at 10.4, 10.39. Somewhere around there you got to see a bounce, right? And if we go to smaller time frames, we're absolutely getting shit on. We are losing everything, okay? We are not looking awesome. And if that's the case, then we recognize this purple channel and that if we were in it, we're probably coming all the way back down to the bottom of this purple channel. Okay? Not what we want to do, just probably what we're going to do. All right, you can even overextend it into here to see a big symmetrical triangle at play. So we go down, maybe touch bottom side, and then maybe retest, but right now we look like we're breaking it. So what I would like to see is on this daily time scale is we're definitely going to retest, I believe, 10.4, 10.3. We gotta hold there, okay? And this is gonna keep chasing and chasing and chasing. But again, if we get down to that 9.7 again and we don't hold, bye-bye Bitcoin. Like, see you at 8K, right? For a potential bigger move, right? Doesn't mean I think that we're 100% bear. But if we look at this just on a clean chart, and this was our cup and handle that we identified way ago, like forever ago, like months and months ago. But this will be our neckline, and as we come down, as we built all this strength, all this volume to pierce through this line, right? We did a little Pierce Bronson. We pierced through. We came back. Never really back tested. So now here's our chance to kind of see where we at. Where we are at. You know, we had a nice cup and handle. Handle broke down. Then we shot up, only to create a lower high so far, right? If you take it of the big structure, if we were to draw this, we would say this potentially became a touch point, and we're still kind of in a nothingness, right? Overall, long-term, big scale. Let me use a different. Roughly, right? Okay. So if you were to extend that all the way down, this would be something what you're looking like. So if you get to this, then it looks like you're going to either retest up here, the 12,000 range, and break out, right? Or you're going to get rejected and then somehow come back over to this range, the 6,500 maybe, 85 if you're kind of more of a bear. I mean, if you're more of a bull. But anything above 6K is cool. You go below 6K, well, we're right back to where we started. I know this is kind of like a longer term outlook, but this is just where we're at, kids. You know, it's really a lot of nothingness right now. We're kind of going sideways. We're definitely getting rejected, if anything, right now. And we need to find a bounce. We are going into oversold territories, which is good. But again, like I said, I think we're coming down before we go up. And long term, what I think could happen is because we made this cup and handle, if we can hold and backtest these numbers, then I think we're going to do something like this. Probably here. Right? And I think we would probably double top right around here. Somewhere in this range. And then I think you see a pretty nasty sell-off, right? But I think we have to touch up there again before we come down harder. So even if we come down here, I think we'll see a balanced recovery, maybe a wick up into the 17,000s, maybe even a double top at like 19 something, and then severely crash down, right? But like I've been saying forever, you hold above 10K, you're good. You don't, you're not so great. So we still have the golden cross. You can't really bet against that. I mean, ever since, you know, May, we've been super bullish. So it's just, it only makes sense that if you're gonna go up that high that fast, you have to come back a little bit, okay? And we did kind of come back a little bit here, but there's still more. It looks like we kind of got our last little push up. Our volume's tapering off. We're probably gonna retest, you know, 10.3, which is the 382. Which we've had forever ago, or we're probably going to come down to, you know, 80 or 8,000 to 8,500 roughly. Those are my thoughts. All right, and if we don't hold those, then we're freaking screwed. Okay, I'll see you in the 6Ks. But that's where we're at for now. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Make sure you hit that like, that bell, that sub. And yeah, I appreciate all the love, support. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.